What if the universe remembers everything? Not just stars, not just galaxies, but every event that has ever happened, every explosion, every collision, every moment of creation. What if nothing is ever truly lost, only stored in ways we don't yet understand? If that sounds impossible, stay with me, because modern physics is quietly suggesting that the universe may have a memory. For centuries, we believed the universe was forgetful. Stars explode and vanish, planets are destroyed, light fades into darkness. But what if all of it leaves a permanent imprint? By the end of this video, you'll understand why some scientists believe the universe records everything, and what that means for time, reality, and even consciousness itself. In classical physics, the universe behaves like a river. Events flow forward. Once they pass, they're gone. A supernova explodes. Its energy spreads outward. Eventually, that energy becomes indistinguishable from the background. In this view, the universe forgets. Only entropy remains, a slow drift toward disorder. For a long time, this explanation was enough, until we looked closer. In modern physics, there is one rule that refuses to break. Information cannot be destroyed. Energy can change form, matter can transform, but information, the exact description of a system, must always be conserved. This idea seems abstract until you realize what it implies. If information cannot be destroyed, then the universe must store it somewhere. Black holes where memory should die. Black holes were once thought to be the ultimate erasers. Anything that fell inside, atoms, light, information, was gone forever. But this created a paradox. If black holes destroy information, they violate the fundamental laws of physics. For decades, this problem haunted science, until a disturbing possibility emerged. Stephen Hawking showed that black holes slowly evaporate. They leak energy back into the universe. But what about the information they swallowed? Today, the leading theories suggest something shocking. Black holes do not erase information. They encode it. On their event horizons, in subtle quantum patterns, in distortions of space-time itself. Meaning even the most destructive objects in existence are not allowed to forget. And here's where this stops being about black holes. Because if black holes preserve information, the entire universe must be doing the same thing. Space-time as a record. Einstein showed us that space and time are not separate. They form a single fabric, space-time. Mass bends it, energy ripples through it. But bending leaves marks. Every event, from the birth of stars to the collision of galaxies, distorts space-time. Those distortions never fully disappear. They propagate, they accumulate, like ripples frozen into a cosmic memory foam. Gravitational waves, echoes of the past. In 2015, scientists detected gravitational waves for the first time, ripples in space-time caused by colliding black holes. These waves traveled for over 1 billion years before reaching Earth. Think about that. The universe remembered an event for 1 billion years and then told us about it. This was not light, not matter. It was space-time itself carrying memory. The holographic universe. Some theories go even further. The holographic principle suggests that all the information inside a region of space is encoded on its boundary, like a 3D image stored on a 2D surface. If true, the universe behaves like a vast hologram, every moment, every interaction recorded on the edges of reality, nothing lost, nothing erased. Time may be an illusion of memory. Here's where things become unsettling. If all information exists simultaneously, then the past is not gone. It still exists, encoded in space-time. We experience time as a flow because our consciousness moves through information sequentially, but the universe itself may contain every moment at once, not a timeline, a library. Does the universe remember you? Every action you take disturbs particles. Those particles disturb fields. Those fields disturb space-time. In theory, your existence leaves a trace that can never be fully erased. Not your thoughts, but your physical interactions. You are written into the structure of the universe, forever. Some cosmological models suggest the universe may cycle: expansion, collapse, rebirth. If information is preserved across cycles, then future universes inherit the memory of past ones, meaning reality itself evolves, learns, remembers. When stars die, they are not forgotten. When galaxies collide, the universe remembers. And when you exist, even briefly, you leave a permanent imprint. The universe is not a blank void. It is an archive. If this idea changed how you see reality, leave a comment. Do you think the universe has a memory? Like the video if this made you pause and think. Subscribe, because the universe is far stranger than we were ever told.